Yo guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing something different. Well, not really different. If you do know me, I'm a reseller. I buy shoes and I flip them for some, little money, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to be going over 3 shoes I really think you should invest in because they probably will gain some value over time. I'm gonna put them in a particular order because one is like not that risky, and then low to medium risk, and then one is like I have a feeling that it's gonna go up, so it's gonna be like a high risk, maybe high risk high reward factor. So starting off at number 1, we have the Jordan 1 Smoke Grays. Okay, so this shoe I did manage up to scoop up for retail on the sneakers app. Paid $180. The current market price right now on StockX is $260 for my size. But the reason why I really think you should invest in this shoe is because it's really reminiscent of the Union 1 Jordan. And you can tell it's fairly similar. It might be the Broke Boy Union 1, but this is why it's a similar, almost a similar colorway to the Union 1, and I really do think that this shoe will pick up value like almost every other Jordan 1. They happen to gain value over a certain amount of time, and knowing this shoe is really close to this Union 1, I do believe it will gain value a lot quicker than the Royal Toes that just came out, especially because they were more limited. So I really do think you should go ahead and start picking up your pairs, because I know this shoe will over time increase in value. Alright, and for shoe number 2, we have the Yeezy ZYMOS. Okay, so the reason why I really do think these shoes will go up in price is because the colorway of this shoe is just, it's a black and white. It's kind of like a black and white Yeezy, a dirty static in my opinion, with a black stripe going across it. It's an overall very nice shoe. I wish it had that little heel tab at the back, but overall I think this is a shoe that a lot of people do like, and like any other Yeezy, they end up increasing over time. Even the ugliest colorways. For example, I had the Yeezy Earths in a size 6.5, and they were around like 260, 270, 280 range for a while, and now they're like around the 4 in my size that I had a 6, a 6.5, and a 5.5. They're around the 500 to 350 range. That they were stuck at 370, 360, 380 range for quite a long time. Even the ugliest Yeezys go up in value over time. A size 8.5 and a size 9, their 8.5 is around 360 for the Earths, and for a size 9 it's around 340, 350 range. So these shoes, although there was a lot of stock, I really do believe if you have the money to hold, I suggest you hold this shoe, because these will go up over time. I'm telling y'all right now. People are saying they're bricks. Yeah, the current market right now on StockX, 270, 280 range. Yes, they are bricking if you sell on the market, but I do think these will go up over time. Although there's a lot of stock that was released, I do think it'll take a little longer, but I know just like every other Yeezy, these will go up in price. Alright, so for this next shoe, it's a little bit more risky. I do not suggest, if you do not have the capital to invest in this shoe, I suggest you step away. But this is just what I believe, because I just have this intuition that it will go up. And the shoe I'm talking about is the Jordan 4 Bred. And I think y'all know why I'm about to mention that this shoe will go up in value. So, as of now, the fours are in the 380 to 400 range right now. So if you go ahead and try to, on StockX or GOAT, that's the current market price. But if you can try to scoop this up for a lower price locally, I'm pretty sure you can make a considerably amount of a good amount of money. Okay. The reason why I do think these will go up. Recently, we just had the sales drop, the Off-White 4s, which I took a L on. But next, apparently we're gonna get a men's sizing, and if you look at this picture right here, the Off-White 4s that are about to come out look almost exactly alike to this pair of shoe. This shoe, it just has this little wing. It's all like see-through gray. It's all just one color right here, and then it just says Air in quotation marks. It's literally the same exact shoe. This is why I really believe this shoe, everyone is gonna want to get their hands on this shoe, or on the Off-White 4s when they do drop. And I do think that when those drop, these shoes will go up in value, because they're gonna, since they took an L on the Off-White 4s, they're gonna resort to getting this shoe. It's gonna be the broke boy 4s. But I do believe that these shoes will go up, and it's a risky investment, but if you do have the capital, I do suggest that you try to invest in these 4s, because they're a good shoe, and I think you know why. The hype of the 4s is coming back. Although the Union 4s that are coming out, they aren't that good, but all these 4s dropping, like the sales, the Unions, and then the Bred Off-White 4s, the hype might come back. So this is why I also believe that these will start going up in price. Alright guys, so that concludes the end of today's video. So if you do enjoy videos like this of me talking about like my resale life, or what type of investments to make, please drop a like and subscribe. Stay notified every time I upload a video. If you guys want me, I know a lot of people that I know that swipe up whenever I post a shoe on my Instagram or my Snapchat. They ask me, how do you get into shoes? How do you start doing this? If you guys really want me to start making a video on how to start reselling, I'd be more than happy to. Without further ado, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.